Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a guild on your Lords mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lords mobile game on your device, and once you open it up, proceed forward with the basic tutorial levels if you are playing for the first time, or log into your existing one. Once you are taken into the main menu and have access to the full features, tap on the guild option at the bottom section in order to visit your current guild. Once you are inside your guild page, just tap on Manage Guild and you will see the Leave Guild option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you wish to leave this guild. Tap on the Leave Guild option and then tap on Confirm, and now you will leave your current guild. Tap on the Confirm button and once again tap on the Guild button, and now you will see the Join Guild button once again. You can tap on this and now search for any of your desired guild using the search box. You can also scroll through the available ones and tap on the Join button for the guild that you wish to join. Once you tap on the Join button, you will now join the guild right away, and you can participate in the guild activities. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your active guild on the Lords mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.